I'm here in Lucia Mall where I met up with Alister from Window World, who is showcasing the engineering behind glass and aluminium that he has installed in premium buildings, commercial and industrial, in Durban. Plus, we're giving away a 1,000 Rand Woolworths voucher. All you gotta do is scan the QR code to enter.
So
how are you doing?
All good, boy. All good.
Good, man. Good. I see you have a nice, really classy, amazing display going on here.
Okay, thanks, boy.
What's going on? Talk to me.
Okay, so basically today we're using a small platform here at Lucia Mall over here where we guys are promoting us for the best of Durban. So we got some of our products outside, giving some free candy, some water, getting the guys to vote for us.
Yeah.
And we've got some prizes also that we're giving up here also today.
Okay.
Some raffles that we're having and stuff and all, yeah. So yeah.
Right, so these are some of the products that we've seen in our videos
100%,
at the different locations.
Yeah.
Now, we've been to locations such as the Rivers Church, which was a premium, wow, what an amazing, beautiful build you did there. And we've also been to this location, which is the Lychee Orchard. And then this one we haven't been to.
That's also
Oh,
the Rivers,
that's the
Rivers,
Rivers Church.
Yeah.
Oh yes, I've been there
That's
as well.
the Rivers
Okay, so these are some of the applications that you did.
Yeah,
Can
so
you run me
basically
through
we've got some
some of
samples,
the
yeah?
different products here? What's this?
Some of the samples that we got here. Maybe let's go through all the products over here.
Yeah.
So basically these are some of the premium products that we normally do. This is more of a structural window that we normally have. You can see the more of a structural stuff. Look at the sizes and stuff of that.
When you meant the engineering, when you said the engineering behind it, I did not picture, like look at this connections that's going on here just to hold this glass. I actually did not picture that.
In fact, this actually opens up. There's a hinge on the inside. This actually opens up there. We call that a Clip 44 sash on that.
Wow.
It's a structural stuff. They're not small boys. They're big boys.
Yeah.
They're mostly for more of a wind loading factor and stuff and all. Yeah.
Okay.
And then we go around with this normal casement window with a S10 glass. I think that's a S10 grey there, if I'm not mistaken.
It's like a mirror. This.
Yeah, it's a mirror.
Yeah.
Reflective film on
so
that.
So these high-rise buildings, etc., they use this here to provide that
buildings,
mirror effect. You
so
can't
basically,
see
your
inside.
high-rise buildings will have these ones that we offer here at the bottom of here. So that's one of that. The flush glazing system on that. In fact, that's not a flush glaze. The other one that's right there.
Okay.
This one here, that's actually the flush glazing system that you normally using inside, and that's also for the reverse calculation. This is a new system that we guys are putting together, which is the balustrading system.
That's a balustrade.
That's a balustrading. That's a sample of a balustrading. And if you want, you can actually put the weight on that. Pick up this. Just pick up one.
Hey, no man, this belongs in a gym, this stuff. Look at this. This is like a 20 kilo. Bro, that's heavy. That's like 15 kilos.
So you imagine that now.
Okay, maybe 10. Am I right? About 10.
It's quite heavy. I haven't actually weighed on it.
Where's the weight in this?
It's actually on the channel at the bottom base channel.
Yeah, okay.
We've actually got that as a new development that came down. The guys normally create the recessed balustrading on the building facades to get you the frameless finish.
Okay.
So we have actually created that. So instead of the builders actually creating brickwork, we've got aluminium there, which lasts forever.
Got you.
And it's quite simple if the glass breaks to change it again.
It looks very classy as well.
It looks nice. It's got a handrail on the top. We've got options between a square.
These balustrades are more for office applications or for commercial or residential?
So wherever there is a door access on higher ground above the first floor, you have to have a balustrading. It's compiled. It's by the Saga regulations and stuff. So you have to have something that's going to be safe. So balustradings are very, very essential to our criteria of residential and commercial.
Yeah.
So we use them for both applications.
Okay.
Yeah, and then
what's the application for this?
Okay, so that's the same application that we done in the Rivers Church. This is one of the mock-up samples that we put together. And if you see this sample over here, you'll see the in-between, the nitty and gritty stuff that we had to put together in order to achieve that finish that we're looking at the Rivers Church on the outside. So so that's
you know, like I say, you don't see behind.
You don't see
see the application and how it's actually the engineering behind it to hold up. You just think it's a piece of glass and you put like maybe modern putty, like a rubber, and then it stays there. But it's not that, because we did speak about at the Rivers Church. We spoke about the weather factor, right?
Weather factor, wind loading, and the thermal bonding between the thermal. In fact, that's a thermal facade 60 thermal break aluminium.
Got you. Right. So that definitely helps with the weather, like you say. The
basically,
extreme forces coming from outside.
Yes, 100%. Remember we discussed about your thermal heating and stuff. You see the stuff over here with the aluminium here. When aluminium gets quite hot, and if you just have glass against steel or something, they expand and contract.
Yeah.
So with the newer systems now, there's less breakage in the glasses. So they don't expand it contract so much. They've got thermal qualities in between the aluminium. So again, remember we're supposed to come to the office today and discuss the thermal factor between aluminium and glass. So remember that was a discussion today. So if you look at this sample that we have given here today, brought here today, it has a lot of thermal factors which we incorporate into all our builds.
Okay.
And then as we walk around, you can see there's other stuff that we do, these are your structure. Remember, you have all your double volumes and stuff. Where the guys have those big glasses, like when you go to maybe Zinga, Amschlanga and stuff like that. You see the guys like the glasses. This is the section that we use. You see how quite thick they are and look at the thickness on those ones there. So yeah, they're quite thick, steady, and then again quite strong.
So in terms of installing this, now you need a big team to install this.
But remember, we train our guys from the time that we start our project. We train different types of guys to do different types of applications. We have teams that do frameless applications, teams that do frameless balustrading, teams that do different types of shower applications, teams that do facade applications. Then you get your normal teams which do your normal domestic, your residential, all your windows and doors.
Wow.
Yeah. So and then
it's not as basic as just putting the glass there.
No. It's much more stuff that we have to incorporate. This is the new one that guys actually are going for. This is the fly screen mesh.
Oh yes.
Yeah. This is actually normally the guys have like a roll-up fly screen there for flies and insects and all for monkeys, monkey nets and stuff. So we have come up with a 316 stainless steel, powder coated at black over here to give you, and you can see how quite sturdy that is.
Yeah.
So no monkeys can go there and try to scratch it out and break it and cut it and stuff. No, this is actually stainless steel. So yeah.
So application, does it go outside
so
the door?
So basically we insert it into a window, we can put it into a window, we put it into a door. There's always a subframe that goes behind the unit.
Right, so, behind the, so then you'll have a window you can open on the inside.
Yes.
But on the outside you have this here.
This normally goes on the inside of your application on the window. So
how do you open the window then?
Normally they'll slide, or we've got a sliding system, or we've got a strap arm system that will open from the inside and open to the inside, and then have this access to the doors and stuff. A little bit of a technical thing, so every application is different on that criteria. Yeah.
Okay, well, that's a real upgrade from what we're using in the district, Like we currently at home, we got that green mesh.
We passed
we cut and we tied to each window, to stop the monkeys.
Yeah, but this one, it's actually quite steady, quite monkey-proof. I would also say for burglar-proof also, because remember, it also stop.
Well, it's quite thick and hard.
It's quite thick and hard. It's actually stainless steel that we powder coated black.
Right.
Yeah. So you got it there. So basically today we are at Lucia Mall. We are just promoting the best of Durban. We've been nominated the second year. I think we're doing quite well.
Reader's Choice Awards.
Yeah.
Second year. Wow.
So last year we did quite good also too. So this year we're back again. And just promoting it and just doing some marketing around it and also having some fun again. Remember, work is also this time for fun and for work. So you guys are here today down here just to give some free samples, make sure that people are happy with all the stuff that they want in the place. And it's positive.
Well, you said you had a raffle or giveaway.
So we've got a raffle that's going on around here. So basically what we're doing with the raffle over here is that we get you guys over there, the voting and stuff around here. We take your details down there and I put up a raffle for you. And you stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand Woolworths voucher.
Woolworths voucher. Well, there you have it, guys. To enter this, all you got to do is scan the QR code. I will also post a QR code in the comment section as well, or the description. You'll see a link, etc., to the QR code. But if you scan this here and you vote for Window World, you can get into a competition where you can stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand Woolworths voucher. Maybe you can buy 1,000 Rand worth of Woolworths water and change your accent. Up to you. See how it goes. Wow. Okay, sir. Thank you for that insight. That was amazing to learn. I've never, we've only seen the outside application.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? Yeah. Now to see all this cut up and seeing the interior of it is, it's inspiring.
Awesome.
It's inspiring. Now I get to see a little bit more of what you do.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
OJ.
Mr. Alister from Window World.
All the best, my bro. Thank you, brother. Okay.